Hello friends, today we will start with a UGC NET December 2019 paper, question paper solved part 2. Part 1 you can see in my other videos, okay. 11th question says, assertion is glossary is an alphabetical list of technical terms on a particular subject. Reason is there is no difference between discipline specific terms and general terms. See, you may know that what is glossary. Glossary has, it is correct. Glossary is an alphabetical list of technical terms on a particular subject. But if you see the reason is there is no difference between discipline specific terms and general terms. You may know that the discipline specific terms, every discipline has its own specialist terms and concepts. As students progress in their studies, they learn the relevant languages. Okay. And in the general term, what is a general term? You describe it without giving the details. So here it is saying that there is no difference between the discipline specific term and general terms. How it can be an assertion for this glossary? So it is not possible, correct? So the correct answer is assertion is true but reasoning is false. Okay. Second question, again an assertion reasoning question. Assertion says web search engines get their information by crawling from site to site. Okay, this and the reason is the spider checks for the standard file name spider, every addressed to it before sending certain information back to the indexed. See, web search engine, you may know, okay, daily you are using it. Okay, it crawl from site to site. Perfect, correct. So you may know the examples of web search engines, that is Google, Yahoo, Bing, Baidu, AOL, ask.com, Excite, DuckDuckGo, Wolfram Alpha, Yandex, Lycos, Chacha.com. Okay, and the spider. The reason given here is that the spider checks for the standard file name spider. So it is not the case, right? So you should know what is spider. Spider is a program or a script written to browse the www in a systematic manner for the purpose of indexing websites. Okay. A spider may also refer to as webbot, web crawler, and web robot. So as you can see that this is not connecting to this, correct? So the correct answer is assertion is true but reasoning is false. The 13th question says altmetric is not related to. It is not related to. So you can see the other options. See, altmetric is a software program. Let me tell you first about it. It is a software program. It is used to track what people are saying about the papers online on behalf of institutions, publishers, authors, libraries, and institutions. Okay, you can check the website of altmetrics.com. Okay, so it is basically used for the scholars. Okay, how it is different from the citation takes years to accumulate, apply mostly to articles. It has scholarly impacts, but the altmetrics are instant, apply to all scholarly outputs, articles, books, data, software. Okay, and it has diverse impacts, so it is definitely better than a citation. So the altmetric is not related to that. I will tell you the others. You can see the option a record of attention, a measure of dissemination, an indicator of influence and impact. The only it is not related to is a record of bibliographic data on a subject. Okay, option 1. Then comes the match the following. There is the four different reference services given, and the books as well as. Okay, so fundamental of reference service, इसका क्या होगा? इंट्रोडक्शन टू रेफरेंस वर्क्स, रेफरेंस सर्विस, गाइड टू रेफरेंस बुक्स. So you must learn all these things. Okay, fundamentals of reference service is given by the F.N. Cheney and W.J. Williams. Introduction to reference works is given by William A. Carts. Reference service is given by A.J. Walford, and guide to reference books is given by reference service is given by S.R. Ranganathan, and guide to reference books is given by the A.J. Walford. Okay, the answer for this one is, correct answer is this, correct. Next, which network protocol is involved in execution of ping? Execution of ping, you may know that there are the ping messages comes, right? So they are the like sometimes for the error message. Okay, so what is the so there are the different options. I decode each and every option. See, TCP/IP stands for Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocol, which is a set of networking protocol that allows two or more computers to communicate. ARP क्या होता है? What is ARP? ARP is a procedure for mapping a dynamic internet protocol address to a permanent physical machine address. Okay, in a network, in a LAN, local area network. The physical machine address is known as media access control or MAC address. ICMP, what is ICMP? ICMP is Internet Control Message Protocol. It is an extension to the Internet Protocol IP, referred to as RFC 792. It is an error reporting protocol, and it is used by the routers, host and network devices to generate error messages when there are problems delivering IP packets, correct. So you can understand here it is written that it generates an error message, correct. So this line will tell you, right. And what is BootP? BootP is a bootstrap protocol, is a computer networking protocol used in internet protocol networks to automatically assign an IP address to network devices from a configuration server. The BootP was originally defined in RFC 951. Okay, and what is RFC? You must know the RFC. Okay, it has the abbreviation as a remote function call or a request for comments is its full form. Okay, abbreviation for remote function protocol, a request for comments. RFC is a formal document from the Internet Engineering Task Force that is the result of committee drafting and subsequent review by interested parties. Some RFC are informational in nature. So the answer is ICMP, correct, as it is written generates error messages. So the next 16th question says Infoterra is a global environmental information network of. So there are the different options given. Let me discuss about all the options. What is UNDP? UNDP is the United Nations Development Program, is a United Nations global development network. Its headquarters is in New York City. UNDP advocates for the change and connects the countries to knowledge and experience and resources to help people understand better life. Okay, what is UNICEST? UNICEST is a model of information dissemination was proposed in 1971 by the UN, UNICEF, called as United Nations International Scientific Information System, is a model of the social system of communication which consists of knowledge producers, mediators, and users. Okay, it is used for the communication. Model of social system of communication which consists of knowledge producers, intermediaries, and users. What is UNEP? It is United Nations Environment Program, is the agency of United Nations and coordinates its environmental activities, assists developing countries in implementing environmentally sound policies and practices. So here it is written correct, implementing environmentally sound policies and practices. Okay, what is OECD? It is Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. The French name of this is given here, Organisation de Coopération et de Développement Économiques, right? Is an environmental economic organization with 37 founded in 1961 to stimulate economic progress and world trade. And the next so the correct answer is UNEP. Next is 17th, conservative, moderate, and liberal theories of reference services are propounded by James I. Weir. Okay, you should remember these things. Next is 18th question, says Universal Bibliographic Control and International Mark UBCIM is a core activity of. So there are the different options given. We will understand each and every option. What is IFLA? IFLA is International Federation of Library Association and Institutions. Is the leading international body representing the interest of library and information services and their users. It is a global voice of the library and information profession. It's established in 1924 in Hague, Netherlands. Next comes UNESCO. The full form is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Is a specialized agency of UN aimed at contributing to the building of peace, eradication of poverty, sustainable development, and intercultural document through education, the science, culture, communication, information. It was established in 1945 in Paris, France. Okay, OCLC is Online Computer Library Center, is a US based non-profit membership computer library service and research organization dedicated to public purposes for furthering access to the world's information and reducing information cost. It is founded in 1967 at Dublin, Ohio, US. So 1967. In 1967, you should remember 3 things more. Like you may know that Mumbai Legislation Act, है ना, 1967. Next comes this ALA. Full form is American Library Association, is a non-profit organization based in US that promotes libraries and library activities intentionally. Founded in 1976 at Chicago, Illinois, US. Okay, it is the oldest association and the biggest association. So here it is written about UBCIM. UBCIM program coordinates activities aimed at the development of system and standards for bibliographic control at the national level and the international exchange of bibliographic data. It supports for IFLA activities in the field and publishes relevant reports from the IFLA working groups. So this universal bibliographic control and international mark is a core activity of IFLA. Next question is, which of the following publications are excluded from the scope of Indian national bibliography? Here are the different options given. Okay, maps, guide to textbooks, first issue of a new periodical, musical scores. See, what is INB first, you may know. The Indian National Bibliography INB has been conceived as an accurate, comprehensive and authoritative bibliographic record of current publications in the major 14 languages of India, including English, based on the books received by the Indian Library, Kolkata, under the provision of the Delivery Book Act 1954. Okay, utility of INB: records of the country's intellectual output, bibliographical data of 14 languages of India, including English, brought under the one roof, wide publicity for books and publishers, source material for compilation of subject bibliographies and book statistics, book selection tools for librarians and booksellers, guide and classification, cataloging, etc. for library professionals. These are the certain utilities of INB. So the correct answer here is that my maps, guide to text, maps, guide to text and this musical scores are done by this, but the first issue of new periodicals are not with the INB. So the correct answer is this. Okay, fourth one. Next is Dublin Core metadata element set. The version 1.1 consists of 15 elements. Dublin Core metadata element sets are title, subject, description, creator, publisher, contributor, date, type, format, identifier, source, language, relation, coverage, rights. So they are the 15 elements of Dublin Core metadata sets. Okay, thank you. Like, subscribe and share with your friends, and even let me know the topics you want to learn. Okay, and accordingly I can make such videos. Thank you.